a new program. So next program, so we are going to write here is, I want to check given number is palindrome or not. So how can you check a given number is palindrome or not? Right? So next program, write a program to check given number is palindrome or not. So what is mean by palindrome? So palindrome, this is the number, so not a string. So we have a palindrome string, we have a palindrome number. Both are different. So palindrome string means that's a different, okay? So all characters will be there, and even if you reverse also, you will get the same string. Here number also similar. First you have to reverse the string. Initial number and reverse number both are same. Then that is called palindrome number. So you will give us some input, one number. So you reverse that number. After reverse also, if you get a same as initial value, then that is called palindrome number. Okay. So for example, if you see, so int n equal to 121. So you reverse it. So you after reverse also you will get 121, right? So that is called palindrome number. Okay. So let's see how to do that. Okay. So that you need to understand the logic first steps. First, you have to declare some variables to store this value, because the n value is going to change every time. And simple mathematical operations you are using to do a reverse. First, you have to extract each digit from this number. So how can you extract that? You have to use a reminder. So reminder if you use, you will get each digit from this number, and then you can store in some variable, and that use for the reversing of a number. So then the n value is keep on changing. N value is going to change. The n value is going to change. So let's see how we can do that. Yeah. And I'm going to create another method, void. So basically I'm writing a non-static method, void method. Check palindrome. That's a method name I'm giving. First one I have given an access modifier is a blank. Then void method, void, so void keyword is a return type keyword. And this is the method name. Check palindrome number, and you give the input as a one number. So I need to check my number is a palindrome or not. So declare, first step is declare some variables. So only declarations we are doing. What is that? First, I need to store a reminder. Each digit I want to store from a number. So that I am using rm. Then, so reverse value initially I am assuming 0. Then I need one temporary variable to store my n value. N value is going to change. So every time. So that's why before changing, I'm going to store in the temporary variable. So assign, second step, assign n value to temp variable. Is temp equal to n. Temp equal to n. So that is the how you can use this. Now use the while loop. So while loop. So n greater than 0 until n greater than 0, you keep rotating. So n greater than 0. First fetch the each digit. Fetch each digit from number using percentile to using percentile. So that will give you the number n percentile by 10. So if you give, you will get the each digit. So that each digit value I'm storing in this RM variable. Next, you write the reverse logic. Main reverse logic build, you need to build the reverse logic. Reverse multiply by 10 plus add the each digit. That's the main logic. And then, so you get the new value, new n value, n by 10. So that's the simple logic. See, a lot of concepts here. See, this logic is giving each digit from the number. And that you are adding to previous reverse value. And write a condition if so reverse value is equal to temporary variable, and then you can say given number is to palindrome. Else is not palindrome. That's it. Simple program. So how to call this non-static method in the main method? You have to, we already created object for the class. This is our class name. So object reference equal to new class name. So then object reference dot. So you have to use non-static method. If you want to execute this method, you have to call that under main method. So call this under main method. So check palindrome, and so I'm going to give 121. So run this. You can see given number is palindrome. Given number is palindrome. So you change the value and it will say given number is not palindrome. So if you reverse, it is 321, right? So that's why. Okay. Any questions here? You can execute line by line, okay? Line by line code, and you can get easily this value. Any questions before going for the next program?
No, sir.
Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you need explanation, please let me know. I'll explain. Okay. So the next program is write a program to check given number is Armstrong number or not. So, and another, I want to give exercise here. I want to give an exercise here. Can you take up this exercise? But all this logic, if you understand this program, you can do this. So whatever the exercise I'm going to give now, you can do easily. So write a program to sum all the digits of the given number and create a return type method, okay? So what is the program you have to write? So write a program to return the sum of all the digits. So in a given number. For example, you have given 1 to 1. So what is the sum of all these numbers?
4.
4. So your method has to return 4. Is this clear?
Yes.
Write that program and send it to me. So exercise program is So write a program to return the sum of all digits in given number. So that's the program you have to write. So, okay. Next program. So write a program to check a given number is Armstrong number or not. So write a program to check. So given number is Armstrong number or not. So what is Armstrong number? First, we should know that. If you know the definition, you can easily write. Okay. Okay, let me give you Armstrong number definition. So let's directly go to the some examples so that you can easily understand. Cube each digit in the given number and then sum all of them. All the cubes you sum it. Then if you get a same as the initial number, then that is called Armstrong number. What is that? Cube each digit. Now in this given number, what are the digits we have?
153.
153, right? So that means 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. If you do this, and now you sum it, 1 cube 1, 5 cube 125, 3 cube 27. So what is the output? 153, right? So this is called Armstrong number. So cube each digit of the given number and then sum all the cubes. If you get the result same as the initial number, that number is called Armstrong number. Okay, so let's go and do that. Same logic, whatever check palindrome, same logic we are going to use. And protected access modifier. So void check Armstrong number. Check Armstrong number. So int n. Check Armstrong number. Okay. So here, so how to use Armstrong number is again similar way, declare variables. So you need a cube value. I'm going to take some cube values as 0 and temporary variable. And assign the temp value with the n, because it's going to change, right? That's why. And then take the while loop. Take the while loop, while, so n greater than 0, while we have written wrong. So n greater than 0, so then fetch each digit from the number using percentile symbol, okay? So that's called modulo, and rm equal to this variable I'm storing, each digit I'm storing in this way. You can give a different variable names, not necessarily you have to give the same. Just I'm saying, okay, so you can just percentile by 10. So this is the logic you need to remember. How to get each digit from the given number. So that number percentile by 10, if you do, you will get the each digit. So these kind of concepts you need to remember so that you can solve any problems. Okay, so next, calculate the, cube. So cube equal to cube plus and Rm multiplied by Rm multiplied by Rm. That's it. So then you can calculate the n value. So n equal to n by 10. So that will rotate.